Alrighty guys, so now I'm taking the MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime eyeshadow primer, and I'll be placing that all over my lid just to give it a good base for my eyeshadows to stick on. Now I'm going to be taking a neutral eyeshadow shade, which is Brulee from Wet n Wild, very affordable, and I'll be placing that over top of the primer. When you add an eyeshadow, it helps the next colors blend a lot easier because the primers can leave your eyes a bit tacky, which isn't good necessarily for blending. The palette I'm using to create majority of this look is the I'm His Breezy palette from Wet n Wild. It's about $4.98 at CVS, very affordable, and I'm putting the baby blue shade on my crease to create that blue gradient. Our eyeshadow is going to be deeper on the outer V and down below, and then as you go up it's going to get lighter and lighter all the way up to your brow bone. Next I'm taking this bright blue shade. It looks more electric blue in real life. The camera is making it look more pale than it really is. But anyways, I'm going to be focusing that on the lower portion of my crease. I'm trying not to go above that light blue space, if you can see. But yeah, so it definitely helps create more depth in your crease. Then we're going to be taking that deeper blue shade in the same lower half of the crease as I did the previous color, just to deepen it up a bit, and I'm also going to lay it across the outer V. Now this doesn't have to be placed strategically, you can just kind of get majority of the outer V because our whole mobile lid will be covered in glitter, so it's not really going to show after. Then I'm going to be taking that electric blue again. I'm going to be placing that all over the lid just in case any of the glitter does fall off, which it won't. But just to cover it, in case it does fall off, you won't really know. I just feel safer doing that. Now I'm going to be taking the Duo Lash Glue, and I will be applying that all over my mobile lid very gently, trying not to get it all over the place. Then I'm going to be tapping on the glitter. Now I didn't apply the glitter in a very non-messy way, so you can definitely do it a different way to clean up the mess, but I just used a wipe afterwards to clean up the glitter. Now what I learned from attempting to place the glitter, I definitely would recommend keeping your eyes closed, looking downward, kind of tilting your head back to help the glitter not fall down. Like I said, the way I did it was very messy, but nonetheless it was efficient for me. I got all the glitter I wanted on my lid. But definitely do not want to open your eyes because you do not want to get that glitter in your eyes. Then I just used a wipe to clean up the excess glitter that had fallen, and it worked perfectly fine for me. I didn't have much glitter and I didn't do my foundation before, which is a great tip. Don't put your foundation on first if you're going to do glitter. The lashes that I chose today were the number 11s from Kiss. I love these Kiss lashes. They are so easy to apply and I'm currently obsessed with them. If you saw my previous haul, I just got them. I've actually went through 3 packs of the 3-pack of them already, so I use them all the time, and I use them on clients as well, and they loved them. The foundation I chose to use on the second try of this look was the Better Skin foundation. This satin, almost matte finish is so beautiful with the glitter, because the glitter, you don't want to mix a luminous foundation. I tried that the first try and I just felt like it was so imbalanced. It was too much luminosity, so I wanted to tone it down and use the Better Skin, and it worked out awesome. Now the highlighter I chose was the Soft and Gentle from MAC Cosmetics. I use this in a lot of my videos, if not all of them. This is my go-to. This is my never fail highlighter. It's very natural looking. Definitely can overdo it if you don't watch it, but I've been using this product for quite some time, so I know how it works. Then I'm taking the Mineralized Blush in Dainty from MAC Cosmetics as well with the Real Techniques brush, and applying that to my cheeks to give a little bit of color to my cheeks. Not too much, since the eye look is the main attraction of this makeup. To achieve my soft bronze contour, I'm using the Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced, and I'm also taking this fluffier e.l.f. brush to apply it. That gives it a softer look to it, not so harsh, and that cut contour that you usually see.
Alrighty guys, so that's the end of the video. I did want to mention the lipstick that I was using is a Wet n Wild lipstick. This is a matte lipstick in Bare It All is the shade. It's a delicious nude color. Since obviously the eyes are going to be the focus of this look, I wanted to do a neutral yet still beautiful matte lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned. It was pretty easy to tag along with and learn with. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to rate it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get updates of when I do upload new videos. I have some hauls and more tutorials coming, definitely for the holidays, and holiday collection videos as well. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.